Hello, hi, welcome back to the Sales Funnel Studio. Today we are going to watch how to upload a custom fonts to the Clickfunnels 2.0. And let me share my screen and we can start. Okay. So right now we are in the Clickfunnels 2.0 and to upload fonts, let's start from the dashboard. This is the dashboard you'll be able to see when you log into your Clickfunnels account. If you don't have a Clickfunnels account, there is a link in the descriptions below. Try out for yourself for 30 days and see if this is the best solution for you and join the best community, best courses around sales, funnels, marketing, and business to do your start or scale your business. Okay, so let's start. From the settings. So you have to go to the settings, and in the settings, you'll be able to see this option, My Assets. In the assets, we have so many things, images, course videos. So you can actually host course videos in ClickFunnels itself. So you don't need any other software anymore. You can host downloadables for your courses or free lead magnets and all those things. And there is the last option named fonts. So when you click on the fonts, you can create or upload font. So let's do it right now. I'll click on the upload font. I'll name it, let's do test 1 for this video. And you click on the upload file and it will show all the fonts that you have in your computer. For this, I guess I'll choose the Devona. So when you click on the font file, it will be uploaded into the ClickFunnels and you can create. And ta-da! You have your fonts created. And now, when you are into your funnel builder, and you can see all the custom fonts that you have uploaded in the settings. Let me show you how. Okay, let's edit this. And here's the headline. So when I click on this headline, I can click on the font family. And when I'll be able to click on the font family, I can see all the custom fonts that I have uploaded to my ClickFunnels account. And I can choose anything, any font from my custom fonts as well. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. And if you liked it, please like this video, comment down below. And I have 2 things for you. First, if you are a funnel builder or business owner, need help with ClickFunnels or anything, we have a Facebook group. I have linked in the description, so you can check out that. We do monthly Q&As there. And another thing, if you are just watching and like gazing, like what's ClickFunnels, try it out for yourself and see how this goes. We have amazing bonuses for you if you try it out from our affiliate link, and that is in the description box below. So I hope that was helpful, and see you in the next video.